Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on translation worksheet. So this video presents a few simple worksheets on translation, and if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a direction which tells you to click on a link, and the link will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. Now, very briefly, in the lesson we were told that a translation involves movement of an object or a shape in a straight line for a particular distance. When this movement takes place, there's no rotation or turning. The movement is in a perfect straight line. Now, when the original object is moved to a different position, the shape and the size of the original object remains the same. So that's very important to understand. So here we're asked to perform a translation on each of the following shapes in the direction of the arrow. So this shape here has to be moved in that direction. So we draw the image here after the movement takes place. Anywhere there is fine. It doesn't specify a particular distance, but it does specify a direction, so you can put it anywhere. The same with this oval, it moves in that direction, and the same with a triangle in that direction. Now we also have this arrow. Now in the lesson we were told that the movement can be right, it can be left, it can be up, it can be down, or it can be at an angle. It doesn't matter. So here, this particular arrow, we're moving it down. The star is moving down, and the smiley face is moving down. So you have to draw the image in each case. Here we have a heart, and that's been moved in that direction. This shape is moved in that direction, and this particular shape looks like a sun is moved in that direction. Over here we have a shape which looks like a moon, so it's moving in that direction, this shape in that direction, and that shape in that direction. So for all the examples we've seen, all you have to do is draw the image, that is, you have to draw the shape after the translation takes place. And remember, the size and the shape of the moved object stays the same. So this video has given us some very basic slides on the idea of translation, and if we need any help or we're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a direction which tells us to click on a link, and when we do that it takes you to the lesson and it shows how to do all these examples.